Congratulations, big man, for your 2022 Hilux Adventure. Now, my you be. So this one is also for sale. This one is for sale, 21 model. Okay, guys. This one is for sale. This one is going for 66 million naira to your doorstep with original custom duty. This one, 2021 V6 engine with wireless charger. This one way there here. Okay. Now this one is so my brother. This one is 2022 model with 360 camera. This one is out. So somebody just paid. Okay. So this one. So big man, take a look at your Adventure Hilux. 2022 Adventure Hilux V6 engine with 360 camera. Sold. No be cho. No be cho. You see the 360. That is the 360 movement. You see him. Make I close that door. You go see what will happen now. Just watch. You see him. You see what they shake. That is the side. Okay. See my hand now. Look at my hand. This is my hand. See. That is camera 360. See my hand. They see my hand. That is my best. What will no do for you? Who go do it for you? So this big man, congratulations for your V6 Adventure. Okay. Now you be. Now men will get mind they do this one direct. V6, not be 4-cylinder V6. Now this one now they for sale. This one, I need money. Anybody where they interested, give me a call and collect this one. This one is also V6 2021 Adventure. You never tell where they bring them. Today they make them a day. They bring them yesterday evening. So only a day now in the day here. Anybody where need them, give me a call. I dash you. Now let me show you guys around for this. Take a look at it very well. I sold something like this last 3 months. That one is army color. The man they enjoy. I'm in transfer. The man come and say some best. Say if I be woman, you go marry me. I don't be woman. Wanna leave me? Huh? So this one now don't come out again. The same one I said to the young man in transfer. This one is 2021 model V6 engine, clean title with wireless charger. No be your regular, be this one. And this one I keep them cheap price. Cheap. Very, very cheap. Now I keep this one. Anybody will give me 66 million naira, I will dash you the car. I don't want too much profit. I don't need too much profit. Adventure 2021 model. Clean title. Clean title. Only 20,000 kilometers. Only 20,000 kilometers. So when you convert it to miles, it's not up to 9,000 miles. So this one is similar new. Similar new. Okay? Now let me show you the other side of the car. Buy a touch. Ane kwekwa ane meme. Abura cha. Get on to Ofuma. 66 million naira, free and fair. You go enjoy your life. Okay? For those who love red color. For those who love red color, because I know some people don't like red color. If you don't like red color, the 2022 is sold. The black one where they there, that one is sold. So this one is available. Now, this one, another one. This is white color. This one is white color. This one is going for 65 million. This one. This white color. V6 engine Adventure. 2021 model. This one is going for 65. Last price for this. This white color. Okay? Then if you don't like white color, now black you can't like. This black one is 2021 model. This one is going for 67 million naira last price for this 2021 model. This one with wireless charger. So anyone where you need, it day. If you need 0 kilometer, it day. So now I have 2 of my fans who love my Hilux GR Sport. 2 of my fans saw my GR Sport, the one I bought new for myself. They love it. The other 2 exactly my own. Asap the other 2. So we are not here for joke. We are here for serious business. Focus and hustle. Bring money, we'll give you a better car. Focus, hustle. Bring money, I give you a better car. Focus, hustle. No look back. Okay? No look sere. No look choro. Just focus and make money and bring money. I'll give you happiness. Okay? So this one is 2021 model. Is going for 67. 2021 model. Last price, very low kilometer. Then we'll have it in black. Then this one is TRD. This one now they call TRD V6. This one, 9 senior, see I'm TRD. Okay? This one, 9 senior. This one now, 2018 model. This one now, 9 senior, this ones. Now this one they first do. V6, the first V6 where they do. Now this one. Before they can't do this one. This adventure. So they can't then this one adventure. But this one now TRD. Okay? So if your money no reach this adventure, this one I sold this one. Look at the call the I don't go call the price of this one because of maybe the owner would like to resell it tomorrow. So but it's an expensive car. Not be like very expensive this one. So now this one here is the first one they did. 2018 TRD V6 engine. So you can buy this one. You can buy this 2018 V6 engine. We can also transform it to this one if you want. It's your choice. But this one is going for 55 million naira like this to your doorstep with custom duty. TRD. This is what they call TRD Lexus Hilux TRD V6 engine. Look at the face. The face always look different. So if you want me to transform it to this, it will not cost you much. But as for me, it doesn't make sense. Instead of you to buy it, to start transforming it to this one, it's better you buy the one because the money you will spend to transform this one to this one. You know, sometimes they don't explain to you guys well. Somebody like me, I encourage my customer. Whenever you see me selling 0 kilometer, high model cars, now me they suggest for my customers. I advise them with my own experience. I advise them the one they can go on, and they will enjoy their money. If it's some of them who will listen my advice, okay? So now instead of you to buy this one now to come and upgrade it to this one, it's better you use that money buy this one because if you buy this one 55 million naira, okay? Now you want to upgrade it to this one now. You see say higher, but this one, it can't do for your hand 62 million naira with upgrade. See, say it don't make sense. So it's better for you go for original. And live fake life alone. You see that? So now, or if you want to do genuinely, maybe for your security, maybe your security, no one can spend too much money for your security. You can buy this one. Okay? You can buy this one here. Okay? 55 million naira. This one, 66. Okay? So that is how it is. It is what it is. So this one here is 4 cylinders. This one is 4 cylinder, very, very cheap. This one is 2022 model, 45 million naira. This one is 2021 model, 45 million naira. This one is 2021 model, 43 million naira. This one is 2017 model, 37 million. Automatic. No be manual, automatic. So anyone where you want. This one is another Adventure V6 engine. This white color, pure white. This one is like 0 kilometer, 2021 model. This one is going for 70 million naira. So you make choice. 70 million naira, this one is like 0 kilometer. You can see. So, but this one here is sold. This is the main car where carry me come here. 2022 Adventure. This one is sold. Okay? This one I ain't carry me come here. Before I can't see all those ones. So it's sold. So like I said, 2 of my fans, they saw my new car. They say, summer best. You love good thing though. I say yes. It's okay. If you can collect 2, one of these GR Sports, the other one say give me 1, the other one say give me 1. So this, and I go say our prayer this year, it come to pass. Because if you guys remember earlier this year, when I was in my house, in my village house, my prayer is that this year my fans will buy 0 kilometer too much. That is our goal. And for those who cannot afford 0 kilometer, at least they will buy high-grade cars. So if you go to my page, you will see most of the cars you will see there. The less cars you will see there is like RS 35210. And the 330 is not up to. 330 why I said this is not up to 10. So most of the cars we will say today are some 20 million naira upward. You go see say, and next year, by the grace of God, next year, you where they watch me, the kind of money where you go jam, you go say, what are this guy where they follow a ritualist? I don't be ritualist, so we they share grace. But for those where they do tamu, you better you repent because what can you benefit in tamu? It's better you celebrate with your brothers. All of us celebrate each other. Enjoy this life once and for all. My prayer for you, My wish to you, may you be great, greater than great. Because the way white people, they drive 0 kilometer, we, Africans, we can drive it more than them, if we believe. But the only thing is that our mentality is all about, some of the car dealers have made it look like to buy 0 kilometer cars is not affordable. But some of us is telling you, that money where you go use buy Tokumbo, give it to me. I can arrange 0 kilometer for you. Some of us is here to go to my page. You will see how many 0 kilometer we will sell. Just as from 2 days ago till now, we have sold more than 6 0 kilometers. Big cars, not be all those small one, no. Big cars. So you see, I want to remove that mentality of it's all about used car. No, we can buy used, but used will get great standard will be like new one. If you watch all the used car while they sell, some of them still get line on the inside. They get tear rubber line on the inside. So our goal this year now be say they must talk. So this year, as they go your village people must talk. They will call you ritualists. So be ready, because all the cars why they give my fans, they are like 95%, almost brand new. Almost. Okay, go to my page. Just take a look at the whole cars why I uploaded yesterday. Watch it by yourself. Just enter my page. Watch the 12 to 13 vehicles why I uploaded yesterday. Then you go tell yourself true. Our mission is to make sure that Nigerians as a whole, we are buying 0 kilometer, and almost, even if you cannot afford 0 kilometer, at least you can afford something look like 0 kilometer car. It's all about scrap. Give me this one, I want to know. This time around, things have changed. And they have changed for betterness of every one of us. Okay? So now, I cannot be preaching and I'm not doing it. So you can see me when they preach for you, I go collect my own 0 kilometer. Understand? And the highest one I collect. So we do the practical. We do practical. Because pastor where they say he won't give you money, he get money. Any pastor where they pray say he go pray make I get money. First of all, go first look you. Know how much way you get. So me, I don't know the practical. So you guys have to follow up. And some of our chairman, shout out for all my chairman here. Every one of you here in my chairman, all of you and my chairman will be. So whether you get or you don't get, if my chairman, cannot say one day you go patronize me. Peace and love. Only one phone number I will get. Plus 971 54 77 32 651. Somebody say some of best, you know the dress well. Make I answer that question. Billionaires, trillionaires, they know we are good. Trillionaires, they know we are good. So make I don't answer you, Abby. So no, they expect me to dress. So what you need to focus now to learn our good part and forget our bad part. Because everything will get good, still get bad. You get? So now maybe I'm bad that I'm not dressing, but for the other side, the guy good do. So forget about it. Trillionaires, they are good. I have been in this country. All the highest, richest men in this country, I never see them for one day. I never see gold in their neck. So why should I come and dress and wear gold? No. I don't say that it's bad. The gold is not bad. The gold is nice. It's one of the something they can use to save money. Can buy it and use it and save money. Do you understand? But think about it. Trillionaires, where they wear? Where they wear? So don't worry. Just see me say some of us has a bad character. That is not dressing. But the other side, I have a good character. So learn from me, learn my good side, and forget about my bad side. Because every one of us, we have a good side, we have a bad side. So let our good side be more bigger than our bad side. Peace and love. Huh? Only one phone number again, though. This phone number I gotta call them when I not go here. No, because when I go give all these boys on money, they go use their money because they come back from me. I go say hello. Always say my phone number. Because I go to talk my phone number now. They go Arab. When you go do mistake now, go carry your money, give all these boys. They go still carry and come to me, and I go say car to them. I go still back them up. So be careful. We have only one phone number. So my best, only when they tell you say my phone number lost, no listen, no. Only one phone number now I get. I get only one phone number. So anything where they do, make sure that phone number, once that phone number is okay, boom, plus 971 5477 32651. That is the only phone number where I get for my transaction. So any other phone number where you go, they call. Hey, but I tell you the truth too. You say me, I need to hide my own. Those boys go use you shine, oh. They go use you shine. And if the worst part, if they call me, some of us I want G-Wagon, I go sell. My own, I be car seller. I they sell anything car. So you need to be careful. You need to be careful. Even if you are not ready to buy car now, just save my number in your phone. Don't buy. Anytime where God shine you, God shower you blessing, you could just put call, because life na turn by turn. Do you understand? Life na turn by turn. But every year going to be our turn. That is my prayer. All of us, where they are, every year go be our turn. Until we live. We enjoy this life. So you can't even they pray, say, okay, God, we don't have to enjoy it. Oh, yeah? That is our prayer. That is our wish. You get? I love you guys. Without you guys, nothing like summer best. And all of you where they support me one way or the other. I promise you, I will never fail. I will never disappoint. Okay? And I'll make you guys more proud. But take it easy. And life is all about process. Okay? We are trying. For those where they say, oh God, I wish you can give us money. We want to buy car this year. We want to carry car go our village this year. Yes, the truth of the matter is that it's your wish. It may not be God's wish. God wants you to get that car. But if you get that car, one or two things will happen. You go lose your life. So most of the times, God will do things in his own time. But through our hustling, get some trillionaires, they don't get Rolls Royce. Some trillionaires, they don't get G-Wagon. Nobody say they don't feel afford them. But he get reason. So you should understand it. Okay? Some billionaires, they get money to buy G-Wagon, 30 pieces. But one or two reasons, they avoid it. Some billionaires, they get money to buy even 100 trillion of cars. So take it easy. Life is all about small. First of all, build yourself, build your wealth, build your root, like make your foundation to be strong. So that even if you remove 100 million buy car from your wealth, it will not shake you. Peace and love.